Hey, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Take a deep breath. You're here. That's already a win.
Oh, I like that start. Hi, everyone. And yes, breathe. Don't rush. We're not running anywhere today.
Exactly. This is 1-minute English speaking practice. But don't worry, we're not timing you with a clock. We're just training your brain to speak without fear.
Fear. That word again. Honestly, most learners tell me, I understand English, but my mouth doesn't open.
Yes, your brain knows English, but when it's time to speak,
Or panic. Oh no, what if I'm wrong? What if they laugh? What if I forget the word? Been there.
same here. And if you're listening right now and thinking, yes, that's me, relax. You're normal.
Harry, can I say something honest?
Always.
Most people don't need more grammar. They need less pressure.
Oh, that's good. Less pressure. Because pressure kills confidence.
Exactly. And today, we'll keep things simple. Short sentences, real life. No big words, no exams, no judgment.
Yes, just two humans talking and you listening and slowly joining us. Let me ask you something. Be honest. When someone speaks English to you, do you start translating in your head?
Oh, yes. English to native language to English again. My brain gets tired before my mouth speaks.
Same problem for many learners. That's why speaking feels slow, heavy, stressful.
So, what's the solution, Professor Harry?
No professor today, just a friend. The solution is 1 minute thinking, 1 minute speaking. No editing, no perfect sentence.
Like voice notes to yourself?
Yes, great example. Let's imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you look at your phone, you say, I am tired, but I will try. That's English. Simple, real.
That feels doable.
That's the point. Let's talk about overthinking, the biggest enemy.
Oh, I hate overthinking. It turns a small sentence into a nightmare.
Yes. For example, you want to say, I need help. But your brain says, wait, is it need or needs? What tense? What accent? And boom, silence.
And the moment is gone. The shopkeeper is waiting, your friend is staring. Awkward silence.
So today, new rule. Say it anyway. Wrong English is better than no English.
Say it again for the people at the back.
Wrong English is better than no English.
That actually feels freeing.
Good. Now let's do a small practice. If you're listening, say it with us. Out loud. Yes, out loud. Ready?
Don't be shy. No one is watching.
Repeat after me. I am learning English.
Again, slowly. I am learning English.
Good. Now change it. I am learning English every day.
Oh, nice. See? You just spoke English.
Exactly. No grammar book, no pressure. Let's bring this into real life. Imagine you're at a cafe.
Oh, yes. Ordering fear.
The waiter asks, what would you like? Your brain freezes, but you can say, coffee, please. That's enough.
You don't need a speech. You're not giving a TED Talk.
Right. Or at a shop, you want a different size. Say, do you have this bigger? Simple, clear.
Even if it's not perfect, people understand.
Yes, communication is the goal, not perfection. Let me tell a short story. Years ago, I met a man who spoke very broken English, very broken, but he spoke with confidence.
Oh, confidence English. I love those people.
Yes, people listened to him. They respected him, not because his English was perfect, but because he spoke.
That's powerful.
So remember, confidence first, accuracy later. Now, let's slow down again. Relax your shoulders.
I can feel the calm through the mic.
Good, because learning English is a long journey, not a race.
And every small step counts.
Exactly. Now, vocabulary time. Easy words, useful words, everyday English.
Yes, my favorite part.
Word 1, comfortable. I feel comfortable speaking English at home.
Word 2, nervous. I feel nervous before I speak.
Word 3, practice. I practice English for 1 minute.
Word 4, simple. I like simple English.
Word 5, mistake. It's okay to make mistakes.
Word 6, try. I will try again.
Word 7, every day. I use English in everyday life.
Word 8, confidence. Confidence comes with practice.
Word 9, slowly. Speak slowly. It's okay.
Word 10, improve. I want to improve my English.
Now choose one word, just one. Make your own sentence. See? You're thinking in English now.
And that's progress.
And before we end, one last mindset tip. Speak English like a child.
Oh, children don't fear mistakes.
Exactly. They repeat, they sound funny, they keep going. That's why they learn fast.
So be brave. Be a little silly.
Yes, if today you spoke even one sentence, I'm proud of you.
Me too. Seriously.
And remember, 1 minute today, 1 minute tomorrow. That's how confidence grows.
All right, friends. If you enjoyed this calm practice,
Like this video, subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, and comment below.